Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, all. Yeah, good evening, all. Good evening, all. Hope all of you are doing well. Kindly share this Facebook link in your pages and your profile, and kindly share the link among your friends on WhatsApp and Instagram, Telegram. So, we are starting our today's meeting. Because today there is a very big relief to all those students who are filed as cancelled before. So we will gonna talk for all the candidates, for all those students for whom we are fighting and we are raising the voice. So kindly share the link and make everyone join this conversation so that we'll start. Kindly share the link among your friends and all groups so that people will join and we'll start this today's meeting. About that 40 grace marks and about all the things we were gonna discuss today. So kindly be online and share the link with your friends and family so that we will discuss for each and every point.
Yeah, we've discussed about all this thing, wrong question and everything with Dr. Lal and everything. Yes, spelling mistakes, blurred, everything. Yes, yes, yes. Regarding. Please kindly share this link so that we can start our live. And many students were like they were talking about like what is provisional pass and everything also. So we'll discuss each and everything. Those whose students result is withheld. Few people were asking the question why they withheld the result, because they promised this time that they will not withhold the result, and why they withheld the result. So we'll discuss that also regarding the question, blood question and everything also, and on what basis we were asking for 40 grace marks and everything. We'll discuss each and everything, and what we are expecting and what we are talking to them. So like in another 30 second or 1 minute we'll just start it. Okay, please kindly keep sharing the link. Withheld result, actually all such students, because in like in this FMG attempt these people, the NB use the face detection software. Okay, so there might be some face detection problem or the fingerprint problem with all such students who are result got withheld. So after verifying only, just NB will inform you, and after verification, they'll release your result as well. Okay, so it will take time, at least I guess, because 3 days are holiday only. So by 27th they'll start something regarding all such thing, on 28th I guess. Yeah. So for withheld result also they'll do the same. We're just going to start our live in another 20-30 seconds. Please keep sharing the link on your WhatsApp, Facebook, and everywhere so that other students also can join and can ask their questions. मिनिमम 10 मार्क्स तो देने ही चाहिए यार, देने तो चाहिए मिनिमम 10 मार्क्स. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि बहुत सारे, देर आर मैनी स्टूडेंट्स, एज वी आर गेटिंग द कॉल्स, वी आर टॉकिंग टू देम एज वेल. मैनी पीपल आर फीलिंग इट कि 20-30 या 20 to 40 मार्क्स दे गॉट लेस in this attempt. The result what they were expecting, the marks what they've calculated, and the final marks what they've got, there's a difference between 20 to 40 marks in all these things. Okay, so this is the main thing what we got from many students. The main feedback we got from many students is this only, that the result what they are expecting and what they were calculating and the result what they got, there's a difference between almost 20 to 40 marks in the reality and the result what they were expecting. On this basis, we have asked the 40 marks grace to NB. And first of all, yeah, we'll start with the first thing.
Okay,
Yeah.
so good evening, all of you. Hope all of you are doing well. First of all, congratulations to all those 1000 plus candidates who got their result, which were announced as a cancelled candidature by National Board of Examination.
Actually, as soon as the result was declared on 18th late night, we start getting the calls. Many students were calling us, and on Saturday on 19th they were calling NB, and NB was directly said to them, cancel mean cancel. We cannot do anything. But on the same day only, we've asked everyone to just mail to the NB and all the issues, 3 issues: withheld, cancel candidate, and not satisfied with the result. So we were asking everyone to do it, and we've got more than I guess 6,000 email at last. And at the end, we've talked to NB director as well regarding the same, and he said to wait till 24th. We've cleared each and every issue to him, that the students are not satisfied with the result, why you withheld the result, when it will release, what about the cancel candidate, please give them one chance. So finally, first issue for the cancel candidate, it is solved at last. 1000 people, now they at least they have their result, whether they pass or not. 178 students were there who passed, so many congratulations to them. You guys are provisionally passed. Provisionally passed means you have to put the documents, you have to show the documents to the NB to get your original passing certificate. Okay, so that is the meaning of provisionally pass. Those who fail, at least you know your result, because previously your result was cancelled. So at least now you know your result. Those students who are whose result is still withheld, as we told you that NB said clearly that they will not gonna withhold the result, but they use the face detection software this time. And those students who face detection was not proper, or they were having some problem with what biometric problem was there, so their result was withheld. So it will also get published very soon. Okay, and now last we'll talk about the issue. As we got many mails from the very first day, and most of the students were saying that, sir, we are expecting marks around 170, 180, we got 140. Like this means that there is a difference between 20-30 to 20-40 marks. So the main point was this 20-40 marks was there. So that's why we've just asked at least government to give the 40 marks grace. Okay, because they've already denied that we cannot reduce the thing because the Supreme Court case was there and blah 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 blah. And they had a meeting on today. So we've given a proposal to the government, and they won't take any decision on that. Okay, they won't talk about that decision. They've just declared about the candidature cancelled. We've called sir also, but I think he was busy, so we've talked through message, and we've cleared this thing, that thank you so much, sir, that you have cleared that cancelled candidature issue, but please do something and do needful for the students who are in the who scored marks, and those who are not satisfied with their marks, and there were blood images were there, questions were there which were not right. So we've asked him to do this thing, and we are just following it because we were in contact with him since morning. We were talking to him, and at last in the evening when we got when he told us just
I talked on phone.
yeah, so he said that it
I
will
had a
update,
phone conversation with Dr. Lal,
and
and
he said
he
that we'll update it on the online. So we've informed all of you through our groups and everything. Finally this one issue is solved. And regarding the issue of grace marks, we have already told you that we can try from our end. We cannot guarantee anything because we are not the concerned authorities. हम लोग कोशिश ही कर सकते हैं, और कोशिशें करने पे ही कामयाब होती है. You can get succeed while you try. So what we are doing, we are trying, and we are not asking a single penny from any one of you for this kind of a thing. We are doing all the things by our own, and we are trying कि बच्चों को कुछ ना कुछ रिलीफ मिले, एटलीस्ट उनकी बातें सुनी जाए, उनको फायदा हो. At least every FMG will get benefit, and at least NB and the authorities should listen to them. That's what we are asking. Okay. And from the very first day we've cleared this point to them that there are blood question and question images. You guys are having images of each and everything on our Facebook only. So we've asked in each and everything. Okay. So we are still in talk with them. But यार ये जो छोटा रिचार्ज वाले कुछ लोग आए हैं यहाँ पर, कुछ छोटा रिचार्ज वाले जो लोग हैं जिनको दिक्कत है, तो भाई मैंने इनविटेशन देके आपको नहीं बुलाया है. नहीं है तो यहाँ से निकल जाओ, या जिसने छोटा रिचार्ज किया आप उसके पास जाइए. Please don't put all such things over there.
guys see today once again we have proved that power of unity can do anything. I'll tell you clearly that before this National Board of Examination or Medical Council of India, these people are very much strict on their decision. If they made any decision, they will never change. But in last 10 months or so, there are more than 5 plus decisions which were reversed by the concerned authority, whether it will be a decision of internship, whether it will be a decision of provisional certificate, whether it will be a decision of today's cancelled candidature result. The point is not that they are listening us. The point is that we are showing them the power of unity. And we guys are not asking any money, we guys are not asking any publicity, we guys are not asking any people to
Fund.
become any
Any
fund.
fund.
See, because many people are asking funds to give the update and do the benefit for the student, but we are not asking the fund. Our agenda from the very first day when we have started fight for the internship matter for China, Bangladesh, Nepal and for Philippines candidate was very clear. If there is any injustice happen to any FMG, we guys will stood and we will fight. So today it is a very big congratulations to all the FMG community that today people are not only knowing about you, they are listening you, they are giving justice to you because they know that you are having a representation by IFMS Gurukul Trust, where 1 lakh plus foreign medical doctors and their family members, around 40 lakh people are together. Second thing about those candidates who a result is withheld, just as I talked with Dr. Lal, he clearly told me that face detection software was introduced first time in this exam. So few student biometrics are not matching. So these students,
face detection was also some
these
problem.
students very soon will get the result. Third thing about the gray student, there are two different agendas which I am introducing right now and one telling you. First thing, 2 days back we have asked for 40 grace marks by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare because I am damn sure that in this COVID-19 situation, when all the fraternity is getting benefited, whether they are Ayurvedic doctors or homeopathic doctors, even dental doctors, when all these doctors can practice the allopathy, when they all can do surgery, then we have asked this same thing from the government that please give some sort of relief to foreign medical graduates. If you think that doing MFPP 30 will be a policy changing decision, then okay, do 40, give 40 grace marks to all the FMG candidates who appeared in December 2020 exam. First thing, guys. Second thing, today after we got this cancelled result by the NB director, evening around 7 o'clock I called him and he told me, Dr. Chaurasia, don't worry, As I promised you, on 24th we have a meeting, and this all are the things which nobody knows, but we already told you on 19th only that on 24th there will be a decision in
It will
favor
be
of
there.
FMGs, because we have represented the things in a way that they have to listen us, they can't ignore us. So today they had a meeting and everything was clearly mentioned in their notice that today they NB had a meeting and they have decided to give result to cancelled student. It is a very big win for all the FMG community. After this we got this result, I first of all I thanks to Dr. Lal, that Dr. Saab, it is very nice that you have taken this decision and we really appreciate it. Please do something for those students who failed because of 5-10 marks. 40 marks grace thing is a different issue, guys. Please clear this thing.
We are talking with the
40
ministry regarding this.
40 marks grace thing is something like MFPP that we are talking directly with the ministry people. This 5-10 marks blurred image or misspelling of questions, this was raised today again in front of Dr. Lal, and I clearly told him that, sir, it is not about one or two people are not satisfied. More than
Thousands.
5,000, 6,000 FMG students are not satisfied with their result. It's a very big thing, and it is something, and thousands of students are pointing finger towards NB. So I think and I hope that Dr. Lal will take this thing into consideration,
And do something.
and I think immediately within 3-4 days NB has to give some relief to those students who got failed with a margin of 5 to 10 marks, because more than 10 plus questions including the images were blurred. The questions spelling mistakes were there. Because of that spelling mistakes, the meaning of that particular question changed. So today also I have messaged him and he already saw my message, and definitely he will take something into consideration. Guys, see, 10 months before there was no FMG representation. If they have decided anything, you have to follow it. Now at least Indian Foreign Medical Student Welfare MCI Gurukul Trust, your this two brother Dr. Bhupen Chaurasia and Neeraj Chaurasia sir, at least we guys as a family have that much power that we can raise our voice in front of Ministry of Health, in front of National Medical Commission, in front of National Board of Examination, or in front of any state medical council. Obeying our demands, not obeying our demands is a separate scenario, but at least we can raise our issue in front of them. I am feeling sorry for those people who are telling that now the result is cancelled, NB won't do anything. This Dr. Chaurasia brothers are doing this for publicity. We don't need any publicity. We are doing everything for the benefit of foreign medical community, and we will do it forever. Second thing, many this pundit of FMGs are saying that no candidates will get result. Cancelled means cancelled. Even the NB is mailing them and replying them that cancel means cancel.
But we
Nothing
forced
will
them.
happen.
We forced them to release this
We
result.
forced them to do it, because from the very first day I am telling, power of unity can make the difference, guys. I don't know about other association. I don't know about the Telegram groups. I don't know about anything. I just know one thing. My agenda, Neeraj sir agenda, and IFMS Gurukul agenda from the very first day is same. We will do and we will stand for foreign medical graduate. Each and every foreign medical graduate, if there is any problem, we guys will try our level best to take that problem into the concerned authority.
Yeah.
Sometime we will get the positive result, sometime we will get the negative result, but it doesn't matter that because of the fear of result we will not stand. We will
not
stand
try.
and we will try. So all those students who are expecting some grace marks, and as today the cancelled candidature, first of all those 177 180 students who got passed, many congratulations to you and to your family, because I got call from more than 500 people that sir, our result was withheld because we didn't get the eligibility certificate, we didn't get our document attestation by
They
embassy.
start this issue from next day onwards, from 19th
Yes.
December morning
So
onwards.
guys, All those people who think that nothing is possible, please change your
Nothing is impossible.
mentality.
Yeah, everything is possible if you have
Yeah,
unity with you.
yeah, I just want to recorrect myself. If you think that things will not possible, I want to tell you, power of unity can change the whole world. It is the way to deal with the situation. अगर मेरी किसी चीज को करने की सोच सही है, आई विल गेट द सक्सेस. As we got in internship matter, we got in provisional matter, and we got right now in this with this cancel candidature result. So congratulations to all you people. Second thing, for this 40 marks grace thing which we have asked from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, already more than 3,000 4,000 mails have received by ministry, by all the concerned authorities in PMO, and I think by next Monday we will try to meet some officials of ministry and the NMC regarding this matter, because 40 marks, the 40 grace marks is not at all related with this blurred image and wrong spelling thing. This is a
That we
separate
discuss
issue.
separately with NB director.
Obviously,
That is available on our Facebook page. You can see that.
the point is very clear. People are telling that they are doing this, they are meeting them, they are doing
But they are
that.
not providing a single proof.
We are very much transparent and we are very much open. For me, each and every foreign medical graduate is our brother and sister, and you are our family. If I am talking with someone, if I am getting anything, I want you to know that yes, we are talking to them. So don't worry, you just continue your studies. We are trying our level best to get something positive for those students who stuck nearby 140 or 145. By NB immediately. For those students who scored 110 to 149, for you people, we have already submitted our representation in Ministry of Health and in National Medical Commission. And you guys, 3 4,000 people already mailed the same to the respected PMO office and ministry office. So that is a separate issue. I am not telling anyone to stop studies. Pointing figures on us, I really appreciate, because जो आदमी काम करता है उसी के ऊपर कीचड़ उठता है. जो आदमी
घर पे बैठा सोता रहता है, उसके तो कोई बात ही नहीं करता
actually
उसके बारे में.
the tree which have the fruits, everyone throw stone on that tree which have the fruits. Today IFMS Gurukul Trust, Dr. Bhupendra Arman Chaurasia, Neeraj Chaurasia, people have faith on us. People trust IFMS Gurukul Trust. That's why whenever they are in any problem, the
They
first
contact us.
person whom they contact are us. And we really feel glad and we really feel blessed that whenever any FMG are in problem, they will contact us. And we want this. If you are in any problem, you contact us, because हम पे कीचड़ उछलेगा. People will throw stones on us. लोग हमें गालियां देंगे और लोग हमें गालियां देते भी हैं, बट इट वॉन्ट मेक एनी डिफरेंस. We started working for FMGs and we will continue work for FMGs
ऐसे
forever.
5-10% लोगों से हमारी चीजों में फर्क ना पड़ा है ना पड़ेगा.
Same people are texting us and asking, sir, when the grace thing will happen, sir,
When the
when the
candidature-
passing certificate will come. The same people going in other groups, 1 2 people, I don't want to make them famous, just they are very famous by one name, that is Binod. वो विनोद ही अच्छे लगते हैं, तो आप विनोद रहें हमेशा के लिए. बाकी मैं फिर कहूंगा, when you put efforts, when you do hard work, people will criticize you, they will throw stones on you, but when people throwing stones on you, stand up and feel proud, because you are doing something for society, you are doing something which they can never do. That's why they are scared, that's why they are uncomfortable. So thank you very much all of you. Just continue your studies, don't stop your studies. Whatever your two brothers are doing, we will always do, and we never stop ourselves.
यार
We
पढ़ाई
don't
रोकने के लिए ना हमने
कभी
पहले
नहीं
कभी
कहा
कहा
था.
था ना कभी
हमने
कहेंगे. We
many-
never told anyone to stop studying.
I'll tell you one thing.
है ना?
I tell you one thing. Many students are asking us and telling us, sir, thank you very much. Because of you people, we passed December exam, because after watching the August question paper,
Everybody was telling
we
next
were
pattern
we
is
were
introduced.
heartbroken. We were never expected that that paper was that much tough. So we have lost that hope that we will ever pass FMG exam. But because of IFMS Gurukul effort, we cleared the exam. And now I just want to talk to those people when in August 2020 the exam was tough. You are giving credit to IFMS Gurukul. Because of our efforts, the question paper was getting tough. Now please give some appreciation to us. Because of us, December paper was very easy. So when you are
when you're when you're having anything negative, then
yeah,
you'll give credit to Gurukul.
Gurukul
When you're getting something positive, you never
positive.
talk about it. I'm
So
talking about few people. There are few people, if they want to support ISI as well against MCA Gurukul, IFMS Gurukul, they'll support ISI, ISIS. So we don't want to talk many things
so
about them.
so
And
uh, so many thousands of students after passing their FMG examination, they have messaged us, sir, because of you people the exam paper was very simple and we have cleared. One more thing, many students asking me, sir, thousands of students, like many students got passed because of your last hour review, because of your efforts, because of your coaching. Why you people are not putting pictures like other institute are doing? So I replied them that, for example, one XYZ coaching, they have taught 1,000 students and 50 students got cleared the exam, and they are just portraying those 50 students. For me and for Neeraj sir, all those 20,000 FMGs who appeared in exam are our family. All those who pass the exam, whether they are my student, whether they have taken coaching, whether they have given credit to us, all of you, many congratulations. I don't want to put your pictures and show myself and take any credit that, oh, he is my student. For me, all of this 4,000 candidates who cleared the exam, for me, all of you are IFMS Gurukul Trust student. All of you are IFMS Gurukul Trust family members. So I don't want to take any credit. All congratulations to you and your family. For those 1,000 candidates who got cancelled and today you got the result, many congratulations to you, first of all. Remaining 13-14,000 people who got stuck with some marks, you guys are already my family member, and very soon, we hope that you will get your passing certificate by NBE and you will get the registration
that
and
is
you
why
will.
that is why we are start talking about a thing which nobody think before. Three times FMG in 1 year. That's
Yeah,
what we think, and that's what
we
we
are
have given
trying
the
to do the
representation.
things which nobody can think. My agenda of making FMG 3 times is just to increase the frequency of
So
examination,
that the number of students also get
so
increased, the
that
passing number of
number of
students.
students number of students will pass. Many of the students will pass automatically. Second thing, nobody have ever talked about free FMG program. Already already we have announced it that any student who have attempted FMG more than 6 times,
More than 5 times, or
sorry,
six or
more
more
than
than
5
five.
6 times, IFMS Gurukul Trust will gonna teach you free of cost. We will not charge any penny from any student if you have appeared FMG more than 5 6 times. We have that much guts to say and to do. Whatever we are doing, we are coming online and we are talking to you because we are very much transparent and you guys are our family member. I am not answerable to those stupid people who are talking about our back, okay, on Telegram or wherever, any social media.
यार उन लोगों का खाना नहीं पचता अगर हमारी
I
बात ना
think
करें तो.
I think whole day they are just criticizing Chaurasia brothers, and I think we are the source of their happiness. इतना तो वो भगवान का और अल्लाह का नाम नहीं लेते जितना हम दोनों का नाम लेते हैं. वी फील वेरी ब्लेस्ड बिकॉज एवरी टाइम वी हैव दैट हिकअप्स. पूरे टाइम हिचकियां आती रहती हैं क्योंकि सब हमें याद करते रहते हैं.
स्पेशली 10-15%, 10 से 5-10% जो कुछ
या
नेगेटिव लोग हैं वो
सो
लोग.
गाइज डोंट वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग यार. देखो हम लोग डटे हुए हैं, हम लोग खड़े हुए हैं. जो इंसान मेहनत करता है, इफ यू पुट एफर्ट्स यू ऑलवेज विन. And we guys are telling you that whenever कुछ भी गलत होगा, kindly let us know, because we have that much power of unity because of you people right now, that we are in direct talk with NB director Dr. Lal, is in my WhatsApp, is in my phone book. Wherever
He's
कोई भी
he's
प्रॉब्लम होती है,
cooperating. He's
he is
cooperating with
cooperating.
us.
I
He's cooperating with.
really
Appreciate
appreciate
him.
Dr. Pavinder Lal sir, the executive director of NB officially, and I am thanking you on behalf of more than 1 lakh foreign medical doctors and more than 40 lakh family members, that thank you very much Dr. Pavinder Lal, executive director National Board of Examination, to cooperate with foreign medical graduates. Thank you very much. And whenever you have any issue, we are always there to support you people in all the points, whether it will be academic issue, wherever it will be your registration, your eligibility, your internship matter, wherever there is any problem. Your two brothers IFMS Gurukul Trust is with each and every foreign medical graduate.
Yeah, like people are asking, sir, March में करा दो. We have already given the proposal to government to organize FMG in
April.
4 months in April, in August, and in December. So after 4 months, we've asked them to organize it. Let's see what will happen, and we'll try to organize the FMG as soon as possible so that you people will get the maximum chances. And many students are having confusion that whether there'll be NEXT or whether there'll be FMG in 2021. So in 2021, only FMG examination will be there. No next will be there in 2021. Next will be implemented, I guess, from
One
2022.
thing, one common question was asked by many people, that sir, because of your efforts, this time FMG exam was very okay. So what about next? All the coming next FMG exams, whether it is in April or in June or wherever it is, the exam pattern should be like this only. It is my commitment to you people. NBE will follow the same guideline for the level of exam as they have maintained in December 2020. That is the commitment of mine and Neeraj sir to you people, that the exam pattern will be same. And that is,
Don't trust these
yeah,
NEXT kind of a thing of
yeah,
integration
there
or
will be
anything
no NEXT kind of a thing. The question
in this
paper will
FMG
remain the
examination.
same only, like it was in December 2020. Because as a friend of as a friend of mine, as a well-wisher of foreign medical graduate,
He's working for good. He's
Dr.
working for,
Lal has given this words to me, that
and he is
yes,
working. And the same
whenever
thing
there
was
is, yeah,
said by Dr. Harshvardhan as well, that we'll try to keep the level
yes.
as you people want. At least we can try to put the level of FMG like you want, the basic level.
So
Basic
guys,
means the normal level, not
yeah.
basic. One liners are there that used to be there from I guess 2 years
So,
before.
guys, I think today this thing is a very big thing in a history of foreign medical graduate, because it is not about one or two people. It is not about 10,000, 20,000 people. It is about something which is wrong. We stood, we fought. When we were fighting, when we are telling student to mail, many people, many associations are saying what this they are doing. Already NB has announced cancelled means cancelled. Now there will be no declaration of result. But we have immediately talked with Dr. Lal and we have got the result within 3-4 days as he committed. So we will stood, we will fight, and power of unity will be there always. So thank you very much, all of you. God bless you. Please continue your studies. Even you stuck on 149, don't worry. Continue your study. If we will get any relief, it is very good for us. Because if you even pass, that study will help you in further exams. So thank you very
So
much,
we
all
are
of
just
you.
yeah. So please, we are asking each and everyone. We never asked anyone to stop their studies. Please continue your studies, and we are in talk with the officials. And if we'll get any relief regarding this, you people will get to know about all this thing. And as we've already discussed this thing, that we our main motto for all of you is to just pass this examination. That is why we are asking to increase the frequency of the examination to keep the level basic so that maximum students should pass. And as many students they were asking us, and those who have attempted the FMG examination more than 5 times, we have just announce a free classes for them, so they can contact us. We'll provide the free classes for them as well, because our main motto is to see the passing certificate in all the FMG's hand, and we want to see the happiness in all the parents eyes. And as we've told you, as we've mentioned it very clearly, कि कोशिश करना हमारे हाथ में होता है, रिजल्ट हमारे हाथ में नहीं होता है। कोशिशें करते रहना चाहिए, जब आप कोशिशें करेंगे वही कोशिशें कामयाब होती हैं। तो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर ट्राइंग। एंड हमारे जब कोशिश करने से बहुत सारे लोगों को, एक लोग लाइक देयर आर फ्यू दोस 4-5% पीपल, whenever we are trying anything they are having one thing: don't do this thing, otherwise they'll take the revenge। अरे यार, ये बच्चों जैसी बातें बंद करो, ठीक है? nobody will gonna take any revenge from you guys, ओके? एंड व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, एंड किसी को अगर डिस्टर्बेंस होता है, अगर हम कुछ किसी के बेनिफिट के लिए कुछ चीज कर रहे हैं, तो भैया हमने इनविटेशन नहीं दिया है आपको डिस्टर्ब होने का। आप अपने घर पे बैठिए, अपना पढ़ाई करिए। नहीं निकला है तो पढ़ाई करो, एग्जाम निकालो। क्यों हमें याद करते रहते हो भाई? क्यों हमारा नाम जपते रहते हो? भगवान को याद करो और पढ़ाई करो, ठीक है? सो definitely we'll just keep you updated regarding all such things, and we'll be in touch with the officials regarding that 510 number issues, and with the ministry as well regarding the that
I
40
think,
marks grace.
yeah.
That is a two. Please make it clear, Alman bhai already told you there are two different things. That 40 marks grace is a separate issue which we are dealing with the ministry also, okay? For what we have just emailed to the ministry and officials, and we are talking to Dr. Lal for the blurred question and for the misspelling questions, misspelled questions. So these are two separate issue. We are into all the things. We can try from our end, and we are trying from our end. कुछ नहीं बोलने से कुछ बोलना अच्छा होता है, कोशिशें करते रहनी चाहिए। That's
And
what we are trying, यार।
one thing, many students I know you guys are in depression because you are expecting 180, 190, but at the end you got 149, maybe 128, anything. Guys, I know, I can understand the situation. I can understand that feeling. I know it is very difficult to see and to study again, but we have to do it again, okay? Second thing, sir, when we are expecting to get any reply from ministry, when we expect anything about blurred image and anything, guys, you just focus on whatever you are doing. Whenever there is any update, your two brothers will come online wherever we are, or from Telegram or WhatsApp to Facebook. We will immediately update you. Kindly don't waste your time on social media, on internet, all 24 hours just to get update. Whenever there is anything, it is positive, negative, whatever will be, it is, we will come online and we will tell you.
And we
Okay,
will start a like free Telegram group as well for the
so yeah,
for
one
all
more
the
thing,
study content and test series for all the candidates. Yeah,
free MCI Gurukul Trust test series and free study material to everyone will be provided by us, and we have make a separate Telegram group for it. You guys have the link, you can join that. Second thing, guys, I know like many of the students, they have many problems. Some students have fed up by giving the examination again and again. Many people are heartbroken, they have stuck on 149. I can understand that pain. Believe me, if I can do something immediately, I can have done it immediately right now, but we can only talk with the concerned authority. What was what was a negative thing before, that whenever any FMG is having any issue, your concerns are never reaching to the higher authorities.
officials, yeah.
10 months before, if you have any problem, your concerns are not at all reaching to National Medical Commission, to Medical Council of India, to Ministry, and to National Board of Examination. What is positive about today's thing, that if we have any issue, immediately I can contact Dr. R.K. Vats, the NMC secretary. Directly I can contact Dr. Lal, the NB executive director. Directly I can contact Dr. Amit Viswas or anyone, because we are a family and we are not asking them anything unethical. Our concerns and our problems are very genuine. So now please think this thing as a positive, that now at least FMG's points are raising to the higher authorities and they listening us. Sometimes they will accept our issues, sometimes they will deny our issues, but it is not like that. Because of the fear of denial, we will not raise our issues. We will ask, and we will ask for the benefit of 1 lakh foreign medical graduates. So
फेलियर के डर
all the
से
best.
फेलियर के डर से कुछ चीजें मांगने, कुछ चीजें जो हैं वो करना नहीं छोड़ सकते. ट्राई करेंगे तो शायद चीजें हो जाए. वही हम लोग कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ट्राई नहीं करते तो चीजें तो वैसे भी नहीं हो रही है ना आपकी. सो दैट्स आवर थिंग. वी आर ट्राइंग आवर लेवल बेस्ट फॉर ऑल एंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. Sometimes you will get the positive result, sometimes we are not getting it, but it doesn't matter. The thing which matter is that how you are trying. So we are trying and we are putting our full efforts. So just let's see, and whatever
Okay, guys.
result will
So,
be there, we'll just discuss it with you.
Merry Christmas to all of you, and very soon it will be a new year. 2020 year was not so good for us. It is COVID-19, and there was some new strain also introducing in UK and all. So please be safe, take care of your family members, and just be healthy, eat on time, and please continue your studies.
Keep studying, and if you have any kind of issue, we are there. We are our groups are
Because
there.
see, answering each and every one call is not possible. The best way to communicate with us is WhatsApp. If you have any problem, just WhatsApp us. My number is 8750473973, and Neeraj sir number is 8878762767. So save down this two number, and whenever you have any issue, better to call us, because
Better,
it is not possible to talk to
better
everyone on phone.
messages.
Better to WhatsApp us.
And
Okay.
don't worry, you are like many messages that please keep in contact with Dr. Lal and asking about
Yes,
this. We
yes,
are in
we
contact with
are.
them
We
since
do.
morning only.
We are doing it. I am working it like I am a FMG aspirant myself. Okay, so don't worry, and don't worry at all for anything. We are trying our level best to make things possible. So, everyone, God bless you. Stay healthy and eat well. Good night. Take care. Bye
And
bye.
please keep studying, and whatever update we'll get back to you. So bye
Yes,
bye, take
yes.
care, and very good night, everyone. And
And
those
once
who
again, congratulations to all those 1000 students who think that they will not get your result, but because of this combined family effort of IFMS Gurukul Trust, we have finally made it.
at least 178 students have passed, and other are now they are clear that they got their field, so that they can try for
Yeah.
the next
So
attempt.
always remember,
They are
power
not
of
in
unity
dilemma.
can do many things. Thank you very
Bye
much.
bye, take care,
Bye
good
bye.
night.
Good night.
See you soon. And keep studying, and if you need any help from IFMS Gurukul, you have our numbers, so please contact us and start studying for the examination. We'll try to organize your next examination as soon as possible. Bye bye, take care.